Today, I'll show you how to create payslips in manager.io. If you're looking to streamline your payroll process, manager.io offers a straightforward and efficient way to generate payslips for your employees. Whether you're a small business owner or managing payroll for a larger company, this guide will help you set up and create payslips with ease. To begin, make sure you're logged into your manager.io account. On your dashboard, you'll notice a left-hand navigation sidebar. Scroll down to the very bottom of this sidebar. There, you'll find an option labeled Customize. Click on it. This section allows you to tailor the features you need for your business operations. As you scroll through the list of options, look for an item labeled Payslips. Once you find it, check the box next to Payslips to activate this feature. After you've done that, click on the Update button to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that the Payslips feature is now available for use on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings tab, which is also located in the left sidebar menu. Once you're in the Settings section, find and click on Payslip Items. This is where you'll set up the necessary components of your payslips. You'll need to create items across 3 essential registries. These registries are typically earnings, deductions, and contributions, but you should customize them based on your firm's specific layout requirements. For example, under earnings, you might include regular salary, overtime, or bonuses. For deductions, think about taxes or insurance premiums, and contributions might include items like pension or health benefits. Taking the time to accurately set up these items will ensure that your payslips are comprehensive and tailored to your business needs. Once you have your items set up, it's time to create a payslip. Head back to your left-hand menu panel and click on the Payslips tab. This will take you to the Payslips section of manager.io. In the top left section of the workspace screen, you'll see a button labeled New Payslip. Click on this button to start creating a new payslip. You'll now be prompted to populate the primary document metadata. This includes entering the employee's name, the date of the payslip, and any other relevant details, such as the pay period. Be thorough here, as this information is essential for accurate record keeping and ensures your employees receive their correct pay details. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and created a payslip in manager.io. Remember, the more detailed and organized your initial setup, the smoother your payroll process will be in the future. Manager.io is a powerful tool that can simplify your payroll tasks, and with this guide, you're well on your way to mastering its payslip feature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore additional resources or reach out to manager.io's support team. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll managing.